Hello friends, today's topic market leaders dying question mark. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The last 3 to 4 years since the stock market crash due to corona, there has been a very strange situation in certain stocks. Market leaders in various sectors have significantly underperformed the overall market, and it has probably made people lose faith in investing in such companies. Market leader in a sector means a company with high market share. Historically, such stocks have been very good performance in the stock market. They have rewarded shareholders in the long run. However, the last 3 years have been an exception. Returns from market leaders. 1. Asian Paint. Sector position 1. 3-year returns minus 11%, 10-year returns 12%. 2. Infosys. Sector position 2. 3 years returns 2%, 10-year returns 15%. 3. Bajaj Finance. Sector position 1. 3-year returns 0, 10-year returns 35%. 4. Shree Cement. Sector position 2. 3-year returns 1%, 10-year returns 11%. 5. Jubilant Foodworks. Sector position 1. 3-year returns minus 1%, 10-year returns 17%. 6. HDFC Bank. Sector position 1 in the private banking sector, 3-year returns 7%, 10-year returns 14%. 7. HDFC Life. Sector position 2, 3-year returns minus 1, 10-year returns not existent. 8. HUL. Sector position 1, 3-year returns 1%, 10-year returns 12%. 9. Z Entertainment. Sector position 1, 3-year returns minus 29%, 10-year returns minus 11%. 10. SAIL. Number 1 in PSU, 3-year returns 1%, 10-year returns 4%. 11. Berger Paints. Sector position 2, 3-year returns minus 11%, 10-year returns 14%. Dalmia Bharat. Sector position 5, 3-year returns per annum only 1%. Some observation and comments. Most of these market leaders were trading at high valuations in 2020-21. Hence, it was difficult for the stocks to grow much higher from such high valuations. 2. On the other hand, mid and small cap stocks were trading at very low valuations around mid 2020. So investors, especially institutional investors, have just rotate their holding from overvalued to undervalued. 3. Similarly, the current situation has become the opposite of 2020 since mid and small cap stocks are trading at extremely high valuations and large cap stocks in general are more reasonably valued. 4. In 2020, large number of investors had written off mid and small cap stocks, and now large number of investors are writing off large cap stocks and market leaders. 5. It will be interesting to see if and how large cap stocks will once again regain their old glory. Many people have been stating that they believe that market leading stocks don't have sufficient scope to grow their business and hence their stock will not do well. 6. Just because people have certain negative opinions, it may or may not be true. 7. If a company's fundamentals are good and improving, the stock performance has to reflect it for the long term. It may underperform for many years in between, but the low valuations should attract investors and increase the valuations compared to the current valuations. 8. Only time will tell whether large cap stocks will permanently lose their positions as good stocks or not. End of the video, here is the question. Do you think large cap stocks will never give good returns in the future? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.